Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're exploring a fun customization feature in Clash of Clans, how to change your village scenery. Whether you're tired of the default view or want to match your clan's theme, I'll show you exactly how to give your village a fresh new look. Let's start with the basics of accessing the scenery options. This feature is available to all players, though some sceneries may require special unlocks or purchases. First, open Clash of Clans and tap on the Settings gear icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the Settings menu, look for the Scenery option. It's usually represented by a landscape icon. Tap on this to view all available sceneries for your village. You'll see several options including the default scenery and any special or seasonal sceneries you may have unlocked. The game regularly introduces new sceneries through events, challenges, or the shop, so check back often for new options. To preview how a scenery will look with your current village layout, simply tap on it. You can rotate and zoom to see how it looks from different angles. Take your time to find the perfect backdrop that complements your village design. If you find a scenery you like that's available for purchase, you'll see a gem or special currency price listed. Some rare sceneries might only be available during limited time events or as reward for completing special challenges. Here's a pro tip. Some sceneries actually change based on the time of day in the game, offering different looks for daytime and nighttime. These dynamic sceneries can really make your village stand out. Once you've selected your preferred scenery, tap the Equip or Use button to apply it to your village. The change happens immediately, and you'll be able to see your village with its new backdrop right away. Remember that changing your scenery doesn't affect your village layout, defenses, or gameplay mechanics. It's purely cosmetic. You can change sceneries as often as you like without any cost beyond the initial unlock or purchase. If you're using the same account on multiple devices, your scenery choice will sync across all devices through Cloud Save. I know personalizing your village can make your Clash of Clans experience more enjoyable and unique. Whether you prefer lush landscapes, snowy mountains, or special event themes, now you know how to change your scenery whenever you want. If this guide helped you customize your village, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more mobile gaming tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which scenery is your favorite. Thanks for watching.